Good day everyone, I am Shane A. Florentino from BSCS 3IS. In this video, I'll be explaining the rules of communication using my network setup here in Cisco Packet Tracer. As we know, devices and computer networks need to follow certain rules or protocols to make sure that data is sent, received, and understood correctly. The 5 main rules I'll discuss are message encoding, message formatting, encapsulation, message size, manage time, and manage delivery option. Let's start with message encoding. Encoding is a process of converting data into signals that can travel across the network. This can be electrical, optical, or wireless signal depending on the medium. For example, when PC0 sends data in PC5 in my network, the data gets encoded into signals so it can travel through the switch router and reach the other device. Without encoding, devices wouldn't understand each other because the message wouldn't be in a form they can interpret. Next, we have message formatting and encapsulation. This is about how data is organized before it's sent. Each message follows a specific format. It has header and data. Each layer of the OSI model adds its own information, kind of like wrapping the data in multiple layers. Before sending it out in a packet tracer, when you send the PDU from one PC to another, you can actually see the encapsulation process happen from the application layer all the way down to the physical layer. The next is rule message. This refers to how large a message or packet can be when it's sent over the network. Each protocol has a limit. For example, Ethernet frames usually have a maximum size of 15 bytes. If a message is too big, it's divided into smaller packets before transmission. It helps avoid compression and reduce the chance of error during data transfer. Now let's talk about message timing. These rules determine when data should be sent and how fast it can be transmitted. It also included flow control and response time. For example, it's multiple computer in my network send data at the same time. Timing rules help prevent cancellation or delays. Protocols like TCP manage timing to make sure that data is received in correct order and without loss. Message delivery option. This describes how data is delivered across the network. There are 3 main types: unicast, multicast, and broadcast. For unicast, which is one-to-one communication, for example, PC0 sending data directly to PC5. Thanks for watching. And for multicast, which is one-to-many communication, often used to streaming or group updates. And lastly, a broadcast, which is one-to-all, like when a device sends a ARP request to a device is the same network. You can actually see broadcast message in Packet Tracer when a packet is sent to every connected PC.